we are going to go over how to create a bar plot in SAS. And there are two ways that we could go about doing so. The first of which, to make a horizontal bar plot, is proc sgplot data and then hbar of whatever the variable is. Or if we want to create a vertical bar, same thing, proc sgplot data and then vbar and then whatever the variable is. So let's say if I want to make a vertical and horizontal bar graph for the low lead level group on this data set, which I already have pre-installed here on SAS. For this, I'm going to do proc sgplot data is equal to, I saved it underneath the work, .lead, semicolon. We're going to use hbar of this low lead level group, which I call low hyperspace lead hyperspace level, and I put 1. I'm going to do a separate procedure to show the vertical bar graph as well, just so we can see how that looks and compare the two. So proc sgplot data is equal to work.lead and then vbar low lead level and then 1. Note how we can't just put both of these in the same procedure. We have to make two separate procedures. That's just one of these technicalities with SAS. So that's a bit better. The top one here is then that horizontal bar graph. Note how it graphs the frequency on the x-axis and the y is the actual variable. But notice this bar graph does exactly what we wanted to do. Likewise, the one down here is the vertical bar graph. So do note the differences. Please do note when we do have a ton of data like we do in this case, a horizontal bar graph tends to be a better description of what it looks like rather than a vertical, just because notice how these actually are graphed down here. Kind of a big jumbled mess. At least when it's on the horizontal graphing with the variable on the vertical axis. Do note how that looks a lot cleaner. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you.